So what's up, guys? I'm here. I'm gonna build something today. By the way, I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. All of this. Like, even these little Christmas snow tree things. I got this back. We got card. Yeah. Let me open this up really quick. So, guys, now that I got this out of the box, it's time to take a closer look at these cars and some of these signs. Bro, these are not signs, bro. These are billboards. They're bigger. They're taller than the cars. I don't think that should be a thing. Oh, the camera's falling. Sorry about that. I don't know what that means. I don't know what this means. The only thing I really know what it means is this. The speed limit is 50. With experience higher. But anyways, we're going to start this off in order with the blue car. I like the blue car. It's very high quality in my opinion for such a small object. That or my hands are small. So the wheels move and really that's all the movement we get. I'm not really too disappointed. It's a lot of detail for a small object. This is I don't know what, but I got one of these barrel things. It can move. Nice. Yes. Anyways, it got that logo on both sides. The wheels move as well. Again, a lot of detail for a small thing. And we got this thing that I keep forgetting the name of. A gulp. Anyway, so it articulates this, which I'm very glad it does. Very little companies would have these type of toys, very small toys with movement. Let me get this out of the. I don't know what they were trying to do here. Is this supposed to be a fire truck? I don't get this. Is that supposed to move? Like, oh my god, I don't even know what's going on here. Again, got some nice detail on the front, and that's it. Anyways, now that we're done reviewing the car, get these out of the way. Get your ass out of here. Anyways, and oh damn, the camera's falling. Okay, anyways, now that I got that out of the way, it's time to open these bad boys out. The mini trees. Anyways, open. Anyways, now that I still don't get this open. Oh my god. They should really stop making these packagings. I mean, I like how it shows your product inside, but still, these things kill me. Oh my god. Get out. Look, this is a look on one of the trees and wait, is this bendy wire? It is bendy wire. I can make it into any pose I want. Let's go. Anyways, with that out of the way, it's time to get them and see how many trees there is. Yep, I'm pretty sure there's all. We got this many trees. Here are the size comparisons. Size comparison next to the blue car. Anyways. Now, this is the comparison to the truck. Yep, it moves and all that. We got those two out of the way. In comparison to yellow car thing. I keep forgetting the name of this. That's the size comparison to this tree. And for last, fire truck wannabe. Anyways. I'm just going to call him Red Car. This is the size comparison to Red Car and Tree. Now let's get this out of the way. Tree. Next to the signs that I really believe that they're sign. Never mind. So now that we have that out of the way, But now what really matters T-Rex. T-Rex. This is a T-Rex compared to a tree. Alright, this is gonna be the base to the masterpiece we're gonna do. So, ignore my mascot. He's just dozing off 100%. We got the speed limit that are honestly more like billboards than signs. And the main event, the T-Rex. I'm not quite sure where to place him. I should place him here. Well, I guess I'll put him in the middle and I'll see what I can do. Alright. So, I'm gonna see if I can color this. I can't paint it since I don't have paint. So, I'm gonna see if I can color it green with colored pencils. And see what happens. If it's not able to, then I guess we're just having this. Alright. Now, the colors. Nice. Oh shoot. We would be using green. Two shades of green specifically. Ooh. We would be using these shades of green. They both need sharpening, so that's nice. And some brown. You might be questioning why would I need them for, but you'll see later if these work on this. That's if they work on these Python. Anyways, guys. Guys, I don't think it's working. Wait, let me try the back. Change your mind. Look at this. We're doing it in the back. That's a nice change of plans. Man, I don't even know why I'm looking at the car right now. Alright. I'm gonna do a time lapse and start. Turns out I need to sharpen my tools. Sorry about how I went absent for a little bit. It's just I needed to take care of my little sister for a bit. That's it. Alright, we are done with the class. That took longer than it looked, but it's time for the sand. You know how like some construction sites it's just full of sand? Well, that's what it's gonna happen. We're gonna have the T-Rex. Now we're gonna have the T-Rex here going chasing the cars and stuff. We're also gonna be placing trees, which I believe, in my like my first time creating like something. Like, if you know what I mean. And it's gonna turn out pretty decent in my opinion. Time for the time lapse. Now, the floor bottom thing is complete. All we gotta do is place our trees, our one dino, and our vehicles with glue. It was the only glue I had, okay? So let's get started. Hopefully this glue actually works. All right. So we're gonna start off by putting the T-Rex that has a nice mouth for gulping up hot dogs and keeping your business. So we're gonna put him right here. And which car should I make this? I feel like I should make a car going like this. Okay, which car should I make him be chasing? Wait, this opens? I didn't even know. I wish I could like put it like that, but it just lays down. But this truck it is. So first off, we're gonna start off by putting some glue on the feet. Alright, gonna be very nice. Ready? Oh shoot, I'm good with it. Alright. I guess I just hold it here for a while. Alright. Shoot! Anyways. So the T-Rex is now glued. I mean, I don't know if it's 100% dry, which is why I've got to stay careful. The door mechanism. That's nice. So now I gotta be very gentle with this. Okay. I've never been so worried in my life. Damn it. Come on. Alright. Alright. Shoot. Now, hopefully, wait a couple of minutes, I guess. Pretty sure I did a pretty good job. I did a pretty good job. Oh, did it? Was this? Alright. I feel like the car. Yeah, like the tears. I feel like the car was a failure. Start over again. Hooray! Was it that the tires were placed on wrong? I don't know. I'm gonna try this thing again. Alright, I don't think that's enough. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the test yet, but this guy is dirty. Now, I wanna try and do the trees. And I feel like the trees are gonna be a lot more easier since they have this thing. And I don't really plan on taking it off. I'm going to place these around everywhere. Also, they have bendy wire, so that's nice. That's pretty nice. So I'm going to do it like this. Weird position, I know. So I'm going to put this. Be straight. I know you can never be straight. Nice. Anyways, so sorry about that. Now I'm put the white forbidden cream. Okay, we don't talk about that. So we're gonna place our first tree right here. Oh, that's a lot of white cream, I tell you. Now, time lapse again. Pretty sure it's dry. I'll do the test. This sturdy. Let's see this. Not sturdy. Tell me I gotta redo all of that. I don't want to do that. I don't, but I do. Why does cars have to be so complicated? I was gonna do it like that, but whatever. This is absolutely nonsense. The forbidden white cream on there. The forbidden white cream on there. The forbidden white cream on there. Oh, wait. The forbidden white cream on there. I swear to God, if this thing messes up. Forbidden cream there. Nice. Cream there. And some cream there. Cream, 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 cream. We don't talk about that. Glue it. Please. Please work. Time lapse. Alright, now. I'm just gonna leave it there because I don't want to. Tree. Sturdy. Sturdy. Oh, I swear to God. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Anyways, I'm gonna continue with tree. Now, as I continue with tree, I want to talk about some stuff while I'm at it. So, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I've been not posting that much lately. I mean, my latest video is you get no maidens. But I'm trying my best. There's been a lot of recurring stuff that I've have to been taking care of. And honestly, I didn't really have time to make videos. I had school, I had to take care of my sister and all that. But really, now I'm back and I'm almost in for winter break. And guess what I got? Guess what I'm asking for Christmas this year? 200 buckaroos. Look, and plus all the money I'm going to get from like family members and all that, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of money this year. And hopefully I can use that money to make a setup to, maybe record some, I don't know, some like gaming videos for you guys. Maybe record, live stream some, actually no, I don't know how to live stream. Anyways, maybe do some Lego Fortnite and blah, 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 and yeah. There's also this friend of mine who is TT Chomper Gamer. I actually forgot the name of it. He's a YouTuber and a friend of mine. You can go check his channel out right here. And it's 30, yeah, it's 30. So far, I'm liking how this is turning out. I'm gonna do some more trees. I'm gonna do a tree right here. And then I'm gonna like feel like I'm gonna have to do like a little tunnel there. So in that tunnel, I kind of want to make a car going like this. Actually, second plans, I'm gonna glue the car there. What do you guys want me to make next? I mean, as I'm doing this, I'm also working on another video. It's a surprise, I can't tell you. But I also have like stuff going on in my school. Bro, there's this time. Like, this is kind of a funny story, but like the teacher was feeling sleepy, so he asked one of the students to slap him in the face to see if that would awake him. And one of the kids named Amari, don't worry, he gave me permission to say his name. He straight up went Will Smith on his ass. Like, Mr. Sinclair was expecting a little slap, like a little. Nuh-uh, Amari went full Will Smith mode on my teacher. And I also have permission to say my teacher's name, which is Mr. St. Clair. He's also a fire teacher and my favorite teacher, by the way. Hopefully he appreciates that. And honestly, I feel like he's also like my first teacher. He's my first teacher that's a boy. Like, almost every teacher in my school is a girl. I've never experienced a teacher that's a boy. I'm just saying, like, teachers that are boys in my school is rare. So I have a rare teacher, yay. He also teaches one of my favorite subjects, like math. Not math. I hate math. He's the social studies and science teacher. We have 3 teachers. We have the reading and writing, math, and social studies and science teacher. And like I said, St. Clair, you're the most goated teacher ever. First, I have Back 1, which is reading and writing, which is my like favorite subject because like I'm currently working on a book as well. And then it's Mr. Sinclair's class. Yay, hooray, my favorite class of them all. And then it's my math teacher. Her name is Miss Brown. She also gave me permission to say her name. No offense, Miss Brown, but like, I don't like math. Math class is my least favorite class. Honestly, I'm trying to pay attention as much as I can, but every single time I go into math class, I have to be reminded how dumb I am. Like, I'm like, yeah, I'm not so dumb, and then I go into math class, and math class is like, are you sure about that? And what did I think? Is it glued? Man, I didn't even glue it right! Oh, for not paying attention. I swear to God. I will break my monitor. I swear. What happened? Bro, I swear to God. I gotta make more Forbidden Cream. Boop. Oh my God, I swear to God. Get that glue in there. Get the glue in there. Get the glue in there. The forbidden white cream in there. Yep, pay attention this time. Yes. Now wait more. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding me. What else do I talk about? I don't really have much to talk about. So, time lapse? Alright, I think it's good. Nope, it ain't. Anyways, let's check on up. Yeah. Yes. Yes! Alright, we're just gonna have to wait there, buddy. That's why this camera is really efficient. I swear to God if it falls. I swear to God I'm gonna break my camera. I swear to God. How much trees I have left? This is bad. This is bad. I don't have 2 trees. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still have a little bit of trees left, but it's more than I thought we'll have. I feel like we'll have to like put it there. Put one there. Get some of my. Where the hell is it? Put some of my forbidden whipped cream. Anyways, you can't see that. Slow down. We're gonna put this right next to you. Nice. Can one of you count how many time lapse I've done throughout the video? Please. 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 Also, I have a Discord. Yay! If you want to submit some memes, I could do another react video. Reacting to some of your memes. Huh? You know. Yeah. Oh my god, how many time lapse are we doing? Time to do more of the forbidden cream. Why is my hand so shaky? Stop it. My hand's shaky. Sorry guys. My hand's shaky. Nice. There. I'm gonna put a tree right there. Time lapse again. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's dry. Dry. Kind of. I'll have to wait there for a little. Oh my god, we still have so many goddamn cars. I'm gonna make this one like go like this, trying to attack him. Yes. But first, I want to get done with the trees. And I want to spread these evenly because now I've only have 3 trees. So like, let's just see what we'll do. So now we're gonna get the school glue, or how I like to call it, the forbidden cream. Squeeze. Nice. Bro, have you ever been like gluing something and then your teacher comes up to you and it says a dot is a lot? Like, hell nah. If my glue isn't oozing out of the sides like a grilled cheese sandwich, it ain't gonna stick. I'm just saying, bro. Like, bro, if you're a teacher and you say this phrase, a dot's a lot, I'm gonna have to smack you. You need to get out of those habits. Like, Like, also, like, Mrs. Cito, we do a lot of gluing in your class. I also got permission to say her name as well. Like, if you use this word, like I won't jump you. Like, you're the only valid teacher that I'll let it slide. But, like, just please, don't use it. Anyways, I think it's dry. Nice. How's it coming out, guys? I can see it coming together. Bro, I swear to God. These aren't signs. These are goddamn billboards. At least, like, compared to the tree. Should I even add these? I don't know. I don't even know what half of these signs mean. I only know the 50 speed limit thing. We got a couple more trees left. I'm gonna put one right here. And also, should I just put the rest to like here? I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Remember, it does a lot. Hell no, I'm about to jump you. I want to talk about some teachers. Like, growing up, I had very nice teachers. None of them were, like, rude as teachers. Unlike 5th grade. Fat ass. Skinny ass. Anyways, I probably shouldn't be saying this because if I do, Mr. Sinclair or the teachers that watch my YouTube channel in 6th grade, they might go snitch. Guys, please don't snitch. Please. Please, I don't want to get caught. Please. Should I bleep this out at this point? I don't know. Tree stick. Nice. I got the one tree left, guys. We gotta be very, very careful where I can place this. Nee. Also, it's kind of empty here. But it's also kind of empty here. Oh, hell, why not? Or, should I? You know what? There's no trees there. Change my mind. I'm gonna have to get. Oh no! I was about to say if it glued onto the thing, I would have been so mad. Time to get this glued in. I don't know what else to talk about, guys. So as you can see of the like you got no bitches video. Oh shoot! Did I just say a bad word? Oh no! You can see I got a new figure. I got a new figure. That guy is gonna be me, TXD boy. My mascot is the raptor. Obviously, you've seen him in my vids. But he's my mascot, and I'm the gray figure. So yeah, I do the talking, and he like does the action behind it, like I said. And we just go like that. If I ever need to show myself, like actually, I use that figure to represent myself. I feel like this is the biggest tree of them. You have got to be kidding me. Wait, maybe it's not too late. Maybe it's not too late. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just let it there. Oh my god, we still have this. What do we do with this? What the hell do we do with this? I'm so screwed. I don't even know what to do with this. Did I put it here? I'm gonna put it here. It's lonely there. Or should I put another car here? Nah, I'm gonna put this. I forgot the name of it. There. So I'm gonna put this car right there. Since I have no more trees, I'm gonna do exactly that. Oh my god, I don't know why it takes so long to drive for like the cars. Like this took a while to drive. Blue car, are you dry yet? Yeah. Yes. Like I said, I don't know why they take so long to dry. Guys, if you go over the speed limit, there's gonna be consequences. Anyways. No, my speed limit car! Did I say speed limit car? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Anyways. The white substance. Yes. Anyways. So. I'm going to do this carefully. Because I'm seeing through the camera. I'm not like actually like. Oh my god. I gotta put this at a thing where I can yet see it. And you guys can also see it at the same time. Oh my god. Alright. Yep. Put that there, 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 and put that there. Nice. No, I'm gonna put that there. How do I do this now? Okay, so I'm gonna do it exactly like blue car. I'm gonna have a little place that's touching the ground. And I'm gonna have it dry there. And while we do that, we're gonna put these signs. You know, I'm gonna nickname them billboards. These are not gonna be signs. These are gonna be Damn, I burped. These are gonna be billboards. I don't know where I want to put my speed limit. I'm gonna put my 50 speed limit right there. Oh, what does it say here? You guys can't see, it's too blurry. I'm gonna read it for you guys. General Information Inc. Damn. Does it say behind all of them? No. This guy don't. Neither that guy. Do they have anything at the bottom? Oh. No. Shoot. I know. It's time to put my 50 speed limit, which is my favorite one because it's the one I actually understand. Look, don't jump me. I'm still young. I'm 11 years old. I shouldn't be knowing about card stuff. Oh my god, I was doing that off screen. Oh god, I'm sorry, guys. Cream. I like this type of content. It's different from what I do. And don't worry, guys. There's going to be more videos where I make more crazy stuff for you guys. Possibly, like, making certain types of figures. Maybe. Like did I just glued it on wrong? You have got to be kidding me. Can I flip it? Nice. Now you're going to see General Informational Ink. We're just going to let that dry there. I don't even know if it's going to be a... Yes. Anyways, we're going to do that exact same process. But with the... Hold up. I'm going to need to search that up on Google. Anyways. Oh, that's what it means. Nice. So I'm going to put this on here. Shoot. Like I said, I have Discord. Please join me. I feel like very little people are going to join it, but like, what ifs? What ifs? What gives? I have a friend. And I just had changed like things. And I forgot my Discord thing, so I redid my whole Discord thing. So my friend, if he's still watching like my vids, if he watches this, join it and type your name. Type your name. If you're my friend, type your name. And I'll immediately know. Also, if you want me to expose what my name is, it would be a pleasure. But honestly, I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon. But it'll be kind of... I don't even know where to put this. Should I put this? Again, you guys can't see that. Should I put this here? Derp. Nice. And then after that, all I'm gonna need is just the forklift. Is it called the forklift? I don't know. So it's time to get that. My forbidden cream. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna get people on Discord being ayo with that same viz part. Like, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. There you go. I don't have to hold it down anymore. It's nice. Oh shoot! My pencils. Got my pencils back. Anyways, how's it going? We got the signs, we got the trees, we got the main thing. Derp. We got the main thing. We got the truck running away. Blue car. Red car. 50 speed limit. Yeah, Never mind. General informational ink. Looking nice, looking nice. I'm liking this. All we've got to do is add this to the scene, and that'll be it. So, like I said, let's add more of the Forbidden Creamy. Oh my god, that sounds so weird. You know, I should stop calling it that. What if I try gluing it in the middle? What if I try that? That's a lot. Nope, that ain't working. That ain't working anytime soon. Should I just leave it like that? I don't know. Anyways, how does it look on this side? Will it be okay? I don't know. Maybe take... Anyways, time lapse. I'm done. Report. Yes. Everything is well glued. Anyways, now that we got that out of the way, for some reason, this 50 speed limit would not want to glue. So, bye-bye. But luckily, I did get my T-Rex back in there. And guys, that's it. After 40 minutes, it's done. By the way, guys, I am so sorry I had to make you sit through 40 minutes of work, but I guess I can say it makes up for the for not posting for a while. So keep it safe, keep it cool, and always stay on your dino facts, bro. I went to this kid up in school, bro. He was so uneducated about dinosaurs. Oh my god, it was disgusting.